Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the rig that drives the effect. Insert a camera script or module into starter player. Camera module, then add a bool value sway enabled and number value sway strength set to 0. 5. Once done, require run service. Render stepped so you update every frame. This gives smooth motion. You do this now because frame updates are needed for interpolation. Make sure to set camera type to scriptable before you control C frame. Otherwise, you fight Roblox's built-in camera. Now implement the per frame math. You sample time with OS. Clock or tick, then compute sine-based offsets for X and Y, combine different frequencies for organic feel. Use vector 3 and C frame. Angles then lerp from the current camera C frame toward the target by sway strength each frame. Once done, multiply rotation by a small value, like 0. 5 degrees converted to radians, so motion is subtle. Make sure to account for delta time when scaling amplitude. Otherwise, sway will vary with frame. Finish by wiring sway enabled to enable or disable the effect and expose sway strength for tuning. You should clamp amplitudes and add a damping factor so the camera smoothly returns to neutral when input stops. Once done, test under different frame rates. Make sure to multiply motion by delta time and prefer render stepped for visuals. If you see jitter, reduce work per frame or profile with the micro profiler. If stuttering persists, simplify math or sample less frequently to regain stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.